Hi, hello, this is Yoga Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics. So, today we are discuss about understanding AC circuits with double components. And AC circuits which double components is typically referred to the circuits with multiple instances of the same basic components. The basic components resistor, capacitors, and inductors connected in series or parallel connections. These circuits are analyzed using the similar principles as single components circuits. Then, what is an alternating current AC circuits? So, AC is an alternative current and AC circuits or alternative current circuit is an electrical circuit powered by the alternative voltage sources where the current and voltages are periodically reverse directions and change the magnitude, typically following a sine wave pattern over time. This construct with the direct current DC circuits where the current flows in the one directions. So AC current we have to move on one directions. Current and voltages fluctuate sinusoidally, essential for power transmissions and motion electronics, and characterized by the frequencies and paces. And the next key passive components of an AC circuits, there are resistor, inductors, and capacitors. The key components is an alternative current. There are three types. These are the passive electric components that resist flow of alternative current in different ways, which the resistor dissipated energy as heat and capacitors strongly energy in an electric field. The first one, resistor, oppose the current flow converting electrical energy to heat. So resistor is a converting electric energy into heat. And then an inductor is a storage energy, is a magnetic field, opposes change in the current measured in a henries. And then capacitors, so capacitors store the energy in an electric field. So inductor and capacitors, these are the storage devices. And the next, double components of an AC circuits in RC network. They able the double component AC circuit is a mostly like refers to an RLC circuits, a circuits containing both a resistors and an inductor or capacitors, or a circuits which double combinations of components that have a independent vector components. These are the basic AC circuits configurations where the voltage across each component's voltage drops is affected by the component's resistance and reactance, and then resulting in voltage and currents that can be out the paces. The definitions of double components AC circuit networks, combination of a resistor and capacitors. So these combinations is also called as the components of an AC circuit. So we have to use the applications of filters, low power, low pass, high pass, and timing circuits and integrations. And then analyzing the circuit behavior. So there are impedance and phase angles and resonance. So what is mean by impedance? So impedance is denoted by the letters of Z. The total oppositions to current flow in AC circuits combining resistance and reactance. So Z is an impedance, and then phase angle psi. So measure the time difference between voltage and current waveforms. And then resonance. So resonance state is a frequency when indicate the capacitor reactance cancel landing of unique behaviors. And then advantages and applications of AC double component circuits. So we have to use the power system, motor control, and signal processing, and audio electronics. The Advantages and applications of varies widely used. The specific circuit is dual power supplies of improved flexibility and stable signals, and then double expansion coil provides the cooling capacities and automatic transfers which ensure continuous power in essential systems like generators and residential circuits, and then dual power supplies and circuits. So power system we have to use to the efficient power transmissions, voltage transmissions, and then motor control, precious speeds and directions manipulations, and then signal processing we have to use the filtering amplifications and auxiliations and generations, and then audio electronics is we have to use some speakers and sound systems. And the next summary and furthers of perspectives and the key takeaways and further outlooks. So we have to use what we have to use in the AC circuits are fundamental to modern tech, and then dual component circuits RC and RL enable the devices functions, and the understanding impedance space and resonance is crucial.